Welcome back everybody to Tech Pro Hardware. I'm excited to bring you the unboxing of the Revolt X. This is a brand new power supply from Phanteks. They have a 1000 watt and a 1200 watt in this series, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. If high performance is what you want, this thing delivers continuously uninterrupted great power. And what's so special about it, it can run two systems at once without even blinking an eye. This 80 plus platinum certified power supply has 92% efficiency at 50% system load. It has a 12-year warranty, patented by Phanteks and powered by Seasonic. If you've ever dreamed of running a dual PC system for streaming and gaming, server PC related, or gaming in a workstation PC, the Revolt X power supply is your do-it-all solution. Phanteks has a custom PCB design that enables the Revolt X to power two systems simultaneously. It's equipped with a dual motherboard CPU output connector and can support secondary system and power it individually. This thing's very efficient, and in clean cable management it's not going to be a problem because this thing packs so many cables that you're never ever going to run out of cable support. This power supply also has a hybrid mode, a premium hybrid mode at that. It's state-of-the-art fan control system that powers this system fanlessly under 40% load, enables the most quiet system setup possible. The fact that this is a Seasonic built power supply in collaboration with Phanteks, of course. These are two premium brands. It's engineered with premium components using 100% Japanese capacitors, cable-free internal connections, and a patented state-of-the-art PCB design. This thing requires very little maintenance and will last you for years and years to come. One heck of a power supply here, folks. Of course, this system is fully modular with multiple cables for easy installation of a clean system. Extra long cables up to 810 millimeters ensures sufficient length for high-end single or dual PC systems. Let's talk about what exactly comes in the box as far as cables go. Up first, you're going to have completely black sleeve cables. These are really nice and they're really sleek. Next, you're going to have CPU cables 8x4 plus a 4-pin. There's 3 of those. Then you're going to have PCI Express cables 6+2, 4 of those as well. SATA connections, 4 of those. And Molex, you're going to have 1 of those. So as I said before, this system gives you complete control over what to plug up, how much to plug up, and you'll never run out of cables. Overall, I'm very happy with the Revolt X. It's been powering the system here for the last few days, and it has worked flawlessly with very efficient power, and I haven't had any issues whatsoever. I love the brushed aluminum. I love the look of the power supply. It's basic, but it's still very aggressive in its look. Once again, thanks for tuning into the channel. I hope you learned something about this power supply. I want you to check the links in the description for the system that this power supply is powering. It is an awesome system. I had a good time building it, and it is working very well. If you like the content that this channel provides, let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.